In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WooCommerce checkout form. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or someone who's just getting started with customizing an online store, understanding how to tailor your checkout process can make a significant difference in user experience and, in turn, conversions. To begin, you'll want to start by installing and activating a plugin specifically designed for editing checkout fields in WooCommerce. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins in the left-hand menu, and then select Add New. This is where you can either search for a plugin that suits your specific needs or upload one you've already downloaded. Once you've located the plugin of your choice, simply click Install Now and then activate it to get started. With your plugin active, it's time to move into the customization phase. Navigate to WooCommerce in the left-hand menu of your dashboard and select Checkout Field Editor from the drop-down menu. This tool is where the real magic happens. Here, you can add, remove, or rearrange fields on your checkout form using a user-friendly interface. This intuitive UI takes away much of the headache often associated with code-based changes, allowing you to drag and drop fields as you like. If there are specific pieces of information you need to capture that aren't available by default, like a company name or tax ID, you can easily add a new field. Conversely, if there are fields that don't cater to your business needs, such as an optional second address line, you can remove these to streamline the checkout process. And finally, if you feel the order in which your customers are asked for their information could be more effective, you can rearrange the order of the fields to optimize for a smoother user experience. Once you've made your desired changes, it's crucial to save these modifications. There should be a clear Save Changes button somewhere on the page. Be sure to click it. Trust me, nothing is more frustrating than customizing a form only to lose your progress by forgetting to save. After saving, it's time to test the new checkout flow to ensure everything works as expected. The best way to do this is by placing a test order yourself. Go through the checkout process just as a customer might, taking note of any discrepancies or errors. Pay close attention to field validation, as this can impact whether or not customers are able to proceed with their orders smoothly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to effectively edit your WooCommerce checkout form. By personalizing your checkout fields, you not only improve functionality for your customers, but also set the stage for a more efficient and enjoyable shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!